Panama City officials are helping to preserve a part of St. Andrew's history. Community celebrated the relocation of the bell from the village church of St. Andrew's. Before it was the village church, it was the St. Andrew's Presbyterian Church. It was established back in 1888. And the bell is all that's really left of the original church. So the village church closed in February because of low membership. The congregation was determined, though, to save the bell. They just didn't have the money. Panama City's Quality of Life Department stepped up and moved the bell to the gazebo at Oaks by the Bay Park.
St. Andrews, it's very important, our historical heritage, and this bell represents part of that. And so seeing it take new life in the park for future generations to enjoy is really an amazing experience that we all should celebrate.
The fate of the church building itself is still undecided.